Hello, fellow YouTubers. Welcome to iScoot, Connecticut. I am your host, Robert G. Today we are unboxing and testing my new tower top portable tire inflator. This company was recommended by the electrified Latina, so I wanted to get one to replace a weak generic tire inflator that I had been using. This box came bundled with other Amazon items, but you can also order it directly from Tower Top. My first impression is that it is packaged very well and comes in a nice storage case. Let's unzip the storage case and take a peek inside. Inside the case we have the inflator, instruction manual, hose, and adapters. There is also a USB-C charging cable that I missed when first unpacking the inflator. Here's the bottom of the unit. The USB-C is for charging the unit. The USB-A is for using the inflator as a power bank. Here's the top of the unit. The threaded hole is for the air hose. The white ring is the flashlight. Here's the front of the unit. You can see that the display is easy to read and the controls are very prominent. I laid the unit on its side just so you can see it as close as possible in the video. The flashlight has 4 settings: off, on, slow flash, and fast flash. The controls are straightforward. The center button is for power and to start the pump. Left button cycles between the pump modes: manual, car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. Top and bottom change the desired air pressure. I am going to fully charge the unit before we proceed with testing it. The USB-C cable is provided, but you will need your own AC connector. The battery indicator is blinking to show that we are charging. I really want to show everyone the Tower Top in comparison to a generic air pump. Notice that the Tower Top has a larger display and comes with a longer air hose. You really cannot tell from the photos or video, but the Tower Top air hose also has a swivel at its base to make it easier to use. This is almost as exciting as watching paint dry. But here is the Tower Top inflator charging my Loomis Ultra Smart Bike helmet. This helmet has front and rear lights. It also connects to my phone via Bluetooth. I do not want to let out a significant amount of air from my car or motorcycle, but I will demonstrate that the inflator is suitable for both. Now for the big test. This is my Sonata Austin electric bicycle. I removed the valve stem to ensure the front tire is entirely flat. I am going to re-inflate the tire with a generic air pump and again with the Tower Top pump. The generic pump took 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The Tower Top portable air inflator is now up, pumping the front tire of my Sonata Austin electric bike from 0 to 35 psi. The Tower Top pump took 48 seconds. Tower Top is the clear winner. It was not even close. The Tower Top portable inflator lives up to the claims from the manufacturer. I recommend the inflator and will be using it. I will update this video at the end of the summer after it gets more extensive use. I will put the Amazon and the direct product link in the description. I do not have an affiliate link or discount code. I do not receive any royalty or commission if you purchase this product. I would like to thank everyone for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun content.